Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nakib bin Muhammad Nasser. My matrix number is 2022840678. And for today, we will share about a topic which is incorporating fiber waste in sustainable concrete, study on carbon fiber. So before we proceed with the rest of the rest of our topic for today, so we need to know what exactly carbon fiber is. So carbon fiber is a polymer, and sometimes it's also known as graphite fiber. It is very strong and lightweight, as we already know that. Next, it also can enhance the mechanical properties of our concrete by increasing its tensile strength and durability. So this is the carbon fiber, as you can see, that used in the construction. As you can see, most commonly we use them as what you call the mat, some kind of like that. Next, I'll be proceed with the methodology. For the methodology, I will explain some of the procedures on how the carbon fiber be made. So first thing first, the material selections. So for carbon fiber, we need to collect all the carbon based materials. The better is we use the waste carbon materials such as from plastic bottles and whatsoever. Then we recycle it back, and then we can make the what I call the new carbon stuff, carbon things. And after we collecting all of this stuff, we need to make sure the quality of the carbon, uh, all the carbon materials, not I'm not saying all the carbon materials, but all the carbon based items are not all of them are in a good quality. So we can choose from the waste material, but we need to pick the best quality. So after we already select the materials, we need to prepare our carbon fiber. So if let's say the carbon, the what you call the plastic bottle and whatsoever that made by carbon that we pick up is dirty, we need to prepare it by clean the surface, uh, use anything, make sure the what you call the the carbon items that we collect is clean from the what you call the outside things, from the stain and whatsoever. And we can prepare it according to the what we want, whether we want to prepare it for mats or bar. So we can prepare it according to the what kind of carbon fiber that we want to make. So next, for the mixing, carbon fiber, we can add another what I call the addition mixture in the carbon fiber to make it to increase the quality, of course, to increase the quality and whatsoever. Next, for the placement, uh, this one now for the placement, we place the carbon fiber based textile mats between layers of thin concrete, creating a reinforced composite materials. For the carbon bars, we insert the carbon bars into concrete forms before pouring the concrete mix for high performance reinforcement. So that's one. So for the applications, as I mentioned earlier, that as we already see in the picture earlier, how the carbon fiber be applied on the constructions. So that is the examples. So we will move for the curing. Curing is the basic things that for the concrete preparations. There's nothing to explain about it. And for the inspections and quality control, as I already mentioned, no, I'm not mentioning that, but for the inspection and quality control, um, for the inspection and quality control, after we already not create, we already built the structure that made by the concrete, which reinforced by the carbon fiber, we need to do inspection and quality control to ensure the structure that we build by using the carbon fiber is safe to be used and in a good conditions. And after that, maintenance. But for me, maintenance personally, if you ask for maintenance of the carbon fiber, because based on my readings, carbon fiber doesn't require what I call a regular maintenance, because it is cheaper and it's very sustained. It's very hard to what I call to rosak. In other words, so that is for the procedure. Let's moving for the pros and cons. So first, for the pros, of course, the what I call the carbon fiber is very high strength to weight ratio, has a high tensile strength, making it much stronger than traditional materials like steels or aluminium, while being significantly lighter. After what I call before this, we already know that to make sure that things for to make things that what we call it with a high tensile strength. Most of the what we call the reinforcement materials is very heavy, like such as like steel. But compared to this one, carbon fiber is more what we call more lighter compared to them, as well as it more durable compared to the steel, because steels can corrode while the carbon fiber can't. So there is a lot of pros. One of the another one is the design flexibility. We can flexibly design it without uh, what I call use a lot of cost for this one. And also sustain, I already mentioned earlier why it is sustained, because compared to steel, carbon fiber cannot corrode while steel can corrode. Next, for the cons. So as I mentioned, why the cost is for this one, the cost is expensive, but we need to know that which part is the expensive one. So for the carbon fibers case, it expensive only when the construction phase. When we want to prepare the carbon fiber, it costs us a lot. But for the maintenance cost, it doesn't cost us a lot. So which make it it only what I call expensive at the beginning of the construction, but after the construction, post constructions, all of the costs can be say lower compared to the steel if you steel for to reinforce our structure. And it is heat and electrical conductivity, and as well as bonding challenges. As we already know that um carbon fiber is a great heat and electrical insulator, so which uh, can I'm not saying that this is one of the big cons, but for some country this is a cons, but for us I don't think this is a this is what I call big cons, because our country with the temperatures right now, we don't relies on heat so much. And let us move for the benefits. So for the benefits of the this carbon fiber, it enhances the durability and lifespans, as I already mentioned. Next, it can be recycled, and it can offer more advanced and durable products, giving the competitive edge. So left if let's say company A using carbon fiber and company B is using the steel as their reinforcement materials. So compared to these two, company A will what they call cut more cost, because it use carbon fiber, which require uh, lower, cheaper maintenance compared to the what I call the company B. Next, it enhance the thermal insulation properties. It is very good for Malaysian conditions. Our our what I call temperature conditions in east. in Malaysia, and this is a very good benefit to gain from this carbon fiber. Next, comparison with existing materials. So for the carbon fiber reinforcement concrete that we use here, traditional concrete has lower tensile strengths because, as I mentioned earlier, steels and carbon plate is more have more tensile strength compared to the steels, which is what I call prone to cracking if you use the traditional concrete. Next, it often require more frequent repairs and maintenance, uh, and higher long-term costs. These are the traditional concretes that use what I call other steels in the as the reinforcement agent. Next, it tends to corrode, as I mentioned, and require often maintenance compared to CFRC, our carbon fiber reinforcement concrete. So that's all for comparison, benefits, pros and cons, procedures, and introductions.
Okay, next I will present about how carbon fiber being used in Malaysia. There are 6 carbon fiber used in Malaysia. Among them is aerospace. Its strength to weight ratio and lightweight characteristic make aluminium useful for making aircraft component and structure. Second is construction. Used in the construction industry for strengthening and repairing structure. In Malaysia, carbon fiber composite can be employed in the retrofitting for building, bridge, and other infrastructure to enhance their structure, integrity, and durability. And third is medical and prosthetic, used in the manufacturing of medical device, prosthetic, and orthopedic implants. Fourth is sport and recreation. Carbon fiber is utilized in the production of sporting goods such as tennis rackets, golf clubs, bicycles, and fishing rods. In Malaysia, carbon fiber-based sport equipment is popular among athletes and enthusiasts looking for lightweight and high-performance gear. Next is automotive. Vehicle weight reduction and increased fuel efficiency are 2 reasons why the automotive industry is using carbon fiber more and more. In Malaysia, carbon fiber composites can be found in high-performance sport cars or as components in electric vehicles, contributing to lighter and more eco-friendly transportation option. And the last is water treatment. Water treatment facilities utilize fiberglass reinforced plastic because of its durability and resistance to corrosions.
Now, I will present about research, development, and related to the product. Carbon fibers is the material that was found in 1879 by Sir Joseph Wilson Swan, followed by Thomas Edison. These fibers contain around 20% carbon and low strength and stiffness properties. Carbon fibers possess outstanding mechanical, thermal, and electric properties, make the carbon the main material to the advanced applications either in engineering or global use. For example of the use, ice hockey stick in sport, for military, and replace metal framework. The findings that we get from this assignment is, first, carbon fiber is a polymer, also known as graphite fiber, very strong and lightweight, also increasing tensile strength and durability. Second is the methodology of carbon fiber, material selection, preparing, mixing, placement, inspection and quality control. Lastly is the maintenance. Third is the pros and cons of the carbon fiber. For the pros is the high strength to weight ratio, durability, design flexibility, sustainability. For the cons, cost, heat and electric conductivity, and bonding challenge. Fourth is the benefits of carbon fiber is enhanced durability and lifespan, can be recycled, offer more advanced and durable product, enhanced thermal insulation. Next is the comparison between the carbon fiber with existing material. The traditional concrete have lower tensile strength and prone to crack. It requires frequent repair and maintenance and tends to corrode. Next is the way to use carbon fiber in Malaysia. The use is for the aerospace, for construction, medical and prosthetic, sports and recreation, automotive and water treatment. Lastly is the research, development and related by the carbon fiber. Okay, found by Sir Joseph Wilson Swan, followed by Thomas Edison, possess outstanding mechanical, thermal and electrical properties used to make advanced application. Okay, now we move to discussion. Okay, carbon fiber is highly regarded in engineering primarily due to its exceptional strength to weight ratio, surpassing the traditional materials like steel and aluminium. It offers remarkable stiffness, corrosion resistant and durability, making it indispensable in industry where lightweight and high strength are crucial. Second is the manufacturing process of carbon fiber involves converting precursor materials such as polyacrylonitrile, PEN, or pitch through high temperature processes in an oxygen-deprived environment, resulting in carbon fibers. These fibers are then woven into fabrics or combined into sheets, impregnate with resin and cured under heat and pressure to create composite materials. This versatility in manufacturing allows carbon fiber to be used across diverse sectors. Okay, now we move to the next discussion. In aerospace, it reduces aircraft weight while maintaining structural integrity, enhancing fuel efficiency and performance. In automotive applications, carbon fibers composite contribute to lightweighting vehicles, improving acceleration, handling, and energy efficiency. Marine industry utilize carbon fiber for lightweight and durable boat hulls and components, while in sports and recreation, it enhances the performance of bicycle, tennis racket, and even prosthetic limbs. Despite its benefits, carbon fiber production is energy intensive and poses challenges in recycling due to its composite nature, prompting ongoing research into sustainable production methods and improved recycling technologies. Future advancement in carbon fibers technologies aim to lower production costs, enhance recyclability, and further improve materials properties through innovation in nanotechnology and advanced manufacturing techniques like additive and manufacturing.
Okay, for the conclusion, to sum up, in the innovation covered in this paper is the utilization of fiber waste particle. Particularly, carbon fiber is sustainable concrete. High strength, lightweight, carbon fiber is widely employed in the automotive and aerospace industry. However, throughout the production process, a significant amount of waste carbon fiber is produced, raising environment concern. The purpose of this study is to make use of this waste material, investigate any possible advantage for the building sector.